Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more exhausting than staring at a sea of brake lights on the highway, watching the clock tick, and feeling your breasts get heavier by the minute. If you are stuck in gridlock during your morning commute, whether you are steering a sleek Tesla or riding in the passenger seat of a luxury SUV, you do not have to watch your precious time tick away. In fact, knowing how to turn that stressful bumper-to-bumper nightmare into a highly productive, high-end pumping session can turn a total morning meltdown into a total breeze. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to safely pump while driving, the ultimate gear hacks for the road, and how to travel like a total VIP even in a traffic jam. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind or your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a working, breastfeeding mom doesn't mean you have to stop chasing your career goals, taking vacations, or living your absolute best life. But it does mean you need a really solid game plan for the road. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. Pumping in the car can feel super overwhelming at first, mostly because the thought of cords, bottles, and steering wheel sounds like a recipe for disaster. We are going to break down exactly how to prep, how to style your favorite high-end pump, and the ultimate cleanup hacks so you can breeze through traffic and arrive at the office feeling like a total boss. Let's start with the absolute baseline rule you need to memorize before you even put your keys in the ignition. Safety is your ultimate priority, so you need to set up your gear before you shift out of park. Trying to adjust a pump while driving is a massive hazard and definitely not a vibe. This is where high-end, cordless wearable pumps like the Willow or LV become an absolute game changer. They slip right into your bra, have zero dangling cords to get caught on the steering wheel, and fit discreetly under a chic oversized blazer or silk blouse. If you're using a traditional pump, invest in a premium hands-free pumping bra and connect everything before you leave your driveway. Put the pump motor in your center console or passenger seat where you can reach the buttons blindly. Taking control of your setup from the jump is the ultimate power move. It sets the tone for a stress-free ride and ensures your eyes stay locked on the road, not your ounces. Now, let's talk luxury travel gear, because commuting is exhausting enough without dealing with leaky bags and melted ice. When you finish your session in the middle of a traffic jam, you cannot exactly jump out to wash your parts. If you want to be extra bougie and completely mess-free, ditch the cheap plastic baggies and invest in a high-end travel chiller like the Sears Chill. It looks like a sleek, expensive designer water bottle, fits perfectly into your car's cup holder, and keeps your milk cold for over 20 hours. You can literally pour your liquid gold straight into the chiller while stopped at a red light, pop the top back on, and slip it right into your luxury diaper bag without screaming to the world that you are carrying breast milk. For your pump parts, keep a pack of premium, plant-based pump wipes in your glove compartment. A quick wipe down at the next stoplight keeps everything clean until you can do a proper wash, keeping your stress levels at absolute zero. So, what happens if your commute runs long and you are worried about leaking or comfort? First, take a deep breath and plan ahead. Wear a structured, dark-colored top just in case of any accidental spills, and keep a spare upscale outfit favorited in your trunk bag for emergencies. To make this whole process a million times smoother, make your car a sanctuary. Queue up your favorite podcast, listen to a luxury travel vlog, or use the time to catch up on an audiobook. When you reframe your commute from wasted time into an exclusive, productive self-care and pumping session, the traffic stops looking like a nightmare and starts looking like an opportunity. It is the ultimate mic drop for busy mamas who refuse to compromise on their supply or their lifestyle. Pumping during your commute doesn't have to be a chaotic nightmare. With the right luxury gear, the right mindset, and a little bit of prep, you can conquer any traffic jam, anywhere, and keep that liquid gold flowing. If you love these hacks and want more real talk on navigating motherhood, luxury travel, and high-end baby gear, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you have ever pumped on the road, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite commute distraction. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.